From the stitch pattern chart, choose from stitches 00 to 03. Attach the zigzag foot A. Choose a stitch length between 1.5 and 4. Stitch width should be 3.5. Tension should be set around 4. The seam guides on the needle plate and the hook cover plate help you to measure your seam allowance as you sew. The numbers on the needle plate indicate the distance from the center needle position in inches and millimeters. Raise the presser foot and position the fabric with its edge lining up with a seam guide line on the needle plate. Lower the needle into the fabric. Lower the presser foot and smooth the threads towards the back. Depress the foot control. Gently guide the fabric along the guide line, letting the fabric feed by itself. For fastening the end of seams, press the reverse stitch lever and sew several reverse stitches. Raise the presser foot and remove the fabric, drawing the threads to the back. Cut the threads with the thread cutter.